November the 18th. Blessed is he whosoever shall not be offended in me. Luke chapter 7, verse 23. It is sometimes very difficult not to be offended in Jesus Christ, for the offense may be the result of my circumstances. I may find myself confined to narrow areas of service, or isolated from others through sickness, or by taking an unpopular stance, when I had hoped for much wider opportunities. Yet the Lord knows what is best for me, and my surroundings are determined by Him. Wherever He places me, He does so to strengthen my faith and power, to draw me into closer communion with Himself. And even if confined to a dungeon, my soul will prosper. The offense that causes me to turn from Christ may be emotional. I may be continually confused and troubled over questions I cannot solve. When I gave myself to Him, I had hoped that my skies would always be fair, but often they are overcast with clouds and rain. But I must believe that when difficulties remain, it is that I may learn to trust Him completely, to trust and not be afraid. And it is through my mental and emotional struggles that I am being trained to tutor others who are being tossed by the storm. The offense causing me to turn away may be spiritual. I had imagined that once within His fold, I would never again suffer from the stinging words of temptation. Yet it is best for me the way it is, for when I endure temptation, His grace is magnified. My own character matures, and heaven seems sweeter at the end of the day. Once I arrive at my heavenly home, I will look back across the turns and trials along my path, and will sing the praises of my guide. So, whatever comes my way, I will welcome His will and refuse to be offended in my loving Lord. Alexander Smiley. Blessed is he whose faith is not offended when all around his way the power of God is working out deliverance for others day by day. Though in some prison dark his own soul does fail, till life itself be spent, yet still can trust his Father's love and purpose, and rest therein content. Blessed is he who through long years of suffering, not now from active toil, still shares by prayer and praise the work of others, and thus divides the spoil. Blessed are you, O child of God, who does suffer and cannot understand the reason for your pain, yet will gladly leave your life in His blessed hand. Yes, blessed are you whose faith is not offended by trials unexplained, by mysteries unsolved past understanding, until the goal is gained. Frida Hanbury Allen.